さんせい. You hear it in science class and when talking about soil, water, or shampoo. さんせい. 理科の授業や土や水、シャンプーの説明でよく出る言葉だよ。It is used as a noun and a not adjective. In short, さんせい means the sour acid side, pH less than 7, or the condition of being acidic. 酸っぱい方向の性質、つまりpH が7より小さい状態のことを指すよ。液体や土の性質を表す言い方だね。The first kanji means acid and sour. You can see it in science words like sanso and in taste words like sanmi. It often points to chemical ideas or sour flavors. It sets the idea of sharpness or tartness. The second kanji means nature or quality. You meet it in words like seishitsu and seikaku. It tells you the kind of thing it is. It turns ideas into a type or property. This water is acidic. この水は酸性です。この水は酸性です。The soil is slightly acidic. 土は少し酸性だ。土は少し酸性だ。Lemon water is slightly acidic. レモン水は弱い酸性です。レモン水は弱い酸性です。This lake has become acidic due to rain. この湖は雨で酸性になりました。この湖は雨で酸性になりました。The most common synonym of the word is sanseido, which focuses on the degree or level, while sansei itself can mean both the state and the property in general. The most common antonym of the word is arukarise, which is the basic side, pH greater than 7, the opposite direction on the pH scale from sansei.